Put a glass box around her and she'll break the glass. If you try to cage her in, she'll light the match. Oh, she's like an animal, it's in her blood. She will turn every chain into dust, into dust, into dust. Like the wind is free, like the water's deep. She's a burning rush. If you try to take what is everything, watch it turn her into dust, into like the wind is free, like the water's deep. She's a burning rush. If you try to take what is everything, watch it turn her into dust, into ruler of stars, like Cleopatra waging wars, a goddess in the human form. The queen of hearts, ruler of stars, like Cleopatra waging wars, a goddess in the human form. Into dust, into Yeah.
Cross my heart, hope to die. To my lover, I'd never lie. Said be true, I swear I'll try. In the end, it's him and I. He's got his head, I'm on my mind. We got that love, the crazy kind. I am his, and he is mine. In the end, it's him and I. Him and I. Oh.
Forever, and together we share it. Without her, I couldn't bear it. There's nothing to compare it. I swear it. Them rings I wear it, them diamond carats mean nothing when your head rushing and your blood pumping. When we touching, you said it's ride or die. Never leave each other's side. Got a special kind of vibe that will always survive. That Wonder Woman got a Superman without the suit and tie. Together we watch time fly. You can see it in our eyes. We never leaving what we believe in. Them stars align and we never fall. Like we're skipping seasons. Together we do it all. We don't need the ball to set it off. That's my goon, that's my ace. Always my first, never second place. Got that angel face, kiss will leave you floating like you in outer space. There's no better taste to love and meditate. No matter what it take, this is fake, never fake. Type of love that never break.
Cross my heart, hope to die. To my lover, I'd never lie. Said be true, I swear I'll try. In the end, it's him and I. He's got his head, I'm on my mind. We got that love, the crazy kind. I am his, and he is mine. In the end, it's him and I. Him and I. Oh.
See it coming, too busy dealing with them lies. A dirty woman running away from the truth, but that's alright because it led me to you. You showed me what to do, how a family sticks together, but time flew. Who coulda knew? What I thought was broken was brand new. You got me out of that loop, living out above the rim, but I ain't talking hoops. I'm a better man now, and I owe it to you. You're my queen, so let's get something right. There'll never be another woman in my life. I'll never turn my back on you. I'll always make things right. I know I'm not perfect, but just know your boy's tight. I got you, no matter what the situation is. We got kids and a better way to live, so let's erase the negative and focus on the positive and money that's the positive. Girl, you know what time it is.
Cross my heart, hope to die. To my lover, I'd never lie. Said be true, I swear I'll try. In the end, it's him and I. He's got his head, I'm on my mind. We got that love, the crazy kind. I am his, and he is mine. In the end, it's him and I. Him and I. Oh.
Whether it be true or bogus, I'ma be all that I can be into the END. You're my EMT, got me making more records than the DMV. You made my future clear to see, and I promise to keep it honest. Baby girl, you got a rider, this love a collider. Won't provide a love your side and your side of things. That's why I got you with a lot of rings. I love the way you bring yourself together. We build, now that's good health. Now I got you, I'm never letting go. We set goals and break those. Let's take this and do it slow, cause I'm enjoying life, watching our family grow. What we got here is a miracle. When it's real, you don't have to be lyrical. We fall from typical mystical visual. You make